Welcome to today's Fire Talk. In this episode, we will talk to a very experienced personality. He has been an inspiration for a number of people in his career. So, without wasting much time, let's welcome a visionary and a vibrant leader who has been the director of well reputed National Civil Defense College and prestigious National Fire Service College, Mr. G.S. Sani. Saurabh, please ask the next question.
Definitely. Thank you, Saket. So, sir, my next question would be like, so you have a large experience, and you would have encountered various different situation all through your life. Sir, we are just younger generation coming into it, and sir, one famous question is that at this age, you would also thought that if I would have been in 20s, I would have known this thing, so it would have been better. So that one lesson that you learned in your life that you want to convey to the future generation, sir.
Okay. I may have many lessons here, not one lesson.
Definitely,
And
sir, definitely.
there are many things which primarily I can pass on to the next generation. But since you asked for one major part, one the main point which I would like to raise here. See, the future of fire services is very bright, and you must be aware that we have already gone ahead, and under the
Yes,
leadership
sir.
of Mr. D.K. Shami, we have made a sports control board.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so All India Sports Control Board has been established, where collective sport activities and other related activities or professional competitions will be conducted under its head. And some of our officers last time also participated in the World Fire Games. So this is a beginning that the Sports Control Board is going to also look after in sending teams abroad whenever such type
Yes,
of
sir.
things
Yes,
happen.
sir.
Uh, Friend, one thing which we must understand is that we need to come up to a level of standard.
Yes.
प्रॉब्लम वहां पर है कि हम लोग अपने आप को एक अपग्रेड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, राइट? सो
Yes,
लुक
sir.
बियॉन्ड व्हाट यू आर लर्निंग एट एनएफएससी और एनी अदर प्लेस, एंड अपने आप को हमेशा अपग्रेड करते रहिए टाइम के अनुसार. मेनी थिंग्स विल कीप ऑन चेंजिंग इन योर स्फेयर, राइट? मैंने जब ज्वाइन किया था, व्हेन आई जॉइंड आर्म्ड फोर्सेस एंड व्हेन आई जॉइंड इन 80s, we were not talking about nuclear warfare that time, but subsequently it did come up, and subsequently we were trained specially on that. So आज हम उसके ऊपर बहुत सारी चीजें डिटेल में बताते हैं. And then I
Yes.
cannot stand up and say that okay, I don't know anything about it. Okay, that cannot happen.
Yes.
We need to be keeping ourselves abreast. तो सबसे बड़ा काम आप लोगों के लिए ये है कि पहले तो अपने परफॉर्मेंस के स्टैंडर्ड्स को इम्प्रूव करना बहुत जरूरी है. अब परफॉर्मेंस के स्टैंडर्ड्स जो हैं वो इम्प्रूव करने के लिए वी विल नीड a good amount of upgradation from time to time. Now, this can happen by various means. This can happen by exchanges. This can happen by discussions. This can happen by mutual, rather sharing with the various people in various industries. Now, if you're working in an industry which we are working in a fire service, fire station, you know, there are a lot of things which happen in a certain area, and we do not have a platform by which these are shared.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
you created a platform where you are putting up certain case studies, but literally,
Yes, sir.
let me tell you, you are not getting the complete information as to what happened there. Okay, and
Yes,
subsequently,
sir.
your points of rather the complete amount of study which you are actually bringing out may not be correlating to what happened exactly in that particular situation. Okay, so
Yes,
we
sir.
need to have a sharing aspect purely for knowledge sharing.
Yes.
Like you all are going to be in various industries. So wherever you have an experience, please pen it down. उसको एक experience की तरह एक case study की तरह लिखिए आप, and then share it within your own friends.
Yes,
This
sir.
has to be an
Yes.
internal matter where total amount of secrecy needs to be maintained. Earlier, in fact, whenever we used to talk about certain incident where we normally in industry give a reference or a term which is used called as near miss. Near miss means ये हो सकता था लेकिन हुआ नहीं. Okay, so a
Yes, sir.
near miss was always hidden below the carpet. उसे छुपा दिया जाता था, and nobody used to discuss that. Oh, चलो कुछ हुआ नहीं, चलो छुपा दो इसको. Okay, But now
Yes, sir.
the trend has changed. In industry, people are discussing about near misses. People are recording that and encouraging their people working in management to come and report that. Okay, this is what happened, and this is it was handled in this particular manner. So that they
Yes,
are
sir.
actually rewarding people who are coming and giving those experiences. So if a change is coming in, please accept that change, upgrade yourself, improve yourself, and encourage others also to do the same. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
as I said, the basic part in your case, when I was talking about standards, we friends do not have. Okay. और मैं आप लोगों से एक चीज का रिक्वेस्ट जरूर करूंगा. You must have heard about NFPA.
Yes, sir. National.
NFPA सुना है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir. National. Yes, sir. National Fire
Yes,
Protection
sir. Definitely.
Association.
Okay. What is this association? ये भी पता होगा. This is
Yes, sir.
purely an association which has been actually made of all fire fighters in Europe and US. ये actually US की एजेंसी है.
Yes,
US की
sir.
NFPA की एक एजेंसी बनी है. This comprises of most of the firefighters. Okay. Now all these fire officers, firefighters, they have come onto one platform. And now they have started making standards. NFPA standards की बात हम क्यों करते हैं? And remember, these are not product standards only. ये product standard नहीं है. ये पूरी तरह से operation standards भी हैं.
Yes, sir.
और हमारे यहाँ आप लोग पढ़ नहीं रहे हैं उनको. You need
Yes,
to
sir.
start studying operational standards, right?
Yes,
हम
sir.
केवल
Definitely,
केवल
sir.
ये ना पढ़ें, but operational standards को भी पढ़ें, उसको समझें, and try to make protocols within your ambit of performance or work, so that they can become the same practicable rather procedures which you need to carry out in your place. आपकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है दोस्त? ये ऑपरेशनल मैनुअल जो बनती है, ऑपरेशन स्टैंडर्ड जो बनते हैं, वो उसके मुताबिक बनते हैं. What is your
Yes, sir.
capacity, how much you can achieve and how much your people can achieve. ये कोई साइक्रोसाइड नहीं है कि जो यूएस ने कहा है तो वो आपको वो फॉलो करना है. You need to make your own standards. So you make your own operational standards and say, okay, my operational standard is this one. My person is this much educated. He is so much skilled. He is so much educated. This is what he will be able to perform. My operational standard will be achievable up to this. Upgrade them whenever you find that your people have gone ahead. They have now well versed. अच्छे पढ़े लिखे और लोग आ गए. Then you can revise those as the time goes by. But आज ये need है दोस्त, because your entire performance will become measurable through your standards. Operational standards अगर आप maintain करेंगे, you will be spoken about, you will be discussed about, you will be rather given as examples. Okay, that fire officer in fact could achieve this and could make something which was something out of the ordinary and not which was being done by others. So एक
Yes, sir.
लीडर के तौर पर आप लोगों को ये चीजों को भी अपनाना बहुत जरूरी है. Start
Definitely,
adopting
sir.
these, studying these, and practicing these. There's nothing theoretical. Okay, everything is
Yes,
practical.
sir.
Yes, sir.
दुनिया में आप लोग साइंस पढ़ते हैं तो पहले किसी ने थ्योरी बनाई तो उसको प्रैक्टिसेबल बनाया. ओके, ऐसा नहीं होता कि कोई प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है उसको थ्योरी में डाल दिया हो. पहले
Yes,
थ्योरी
sir.
बनती है, उसको टेस्ट किया जाता है, उसके बाद उसके प्रैक्टिस को देखा जाता है कि हाँ वाकई इट इज वायबल और नॉट. एफिकेसी
Yes, sir.
मेजर उसी से होती है.
Yes,
सो
sir.
दिस इज वेयर यू पीपल नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको अपनी कैपेबिलिटी भी तय करनी पड़ेगी. उसके लिए ऑपरेशनल स्टैंडर्ड बनाइए, प्रोटोकॉल्स बनाइए एंड प्रोटोकॉल्स के बेसिस पर परफॉर्म करिए.
Definitely, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll definitely look into it. And sir, in
And
short,
lot
your
of
point of
lot of
your
students
point.
will be inspired by your point, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Your
you.
point
Thank
of
you.
upgradation is what we are also doing at Fire Talks. Means we are also trying to club all the ideas of legends of our field or great personalities, so that we can also inherit from them the good ideas and pursue in our career. And
Sure.
I would definitely ask all my companions to listen it again and again and draw the benefits out of it. And sir, this has been possible right now. If we all are sitting and talking, is just because of your one lecture you gave at the auditorium in the induction program. And from that day it struck my mind that yes, I have to maintain sir's word, and I have to do along with my friends also. I have to do something that makes my NFSC proud, my sir proud, and moreover it helps my country to go in a better way. So with this, I would like to invite my companion Mr. Nandan Kashyap to ask the next question, sir.
Okay, Nandan.
You. Mr. Tiwari. I will begin with the question, sir. You have been in many professions, like you were army officer, or you were in chemical industry also, and you were the director of 2 colleges, sir. So, sir, what leadership skills one should have to effectively manage work, like you have done in your career, sir?
Nandan, that's a question which primarily many would look forward to. And I also would like to share many aspects as far as my service is concerned. See, primarily as far as my job at the company was concerned, it was just initial stage. In fact, after my graduation, I joined that chemical company and started working. There were a lot of learning which I had to undergo. So I'll not say that I was in a leading field as far as that particular area was concerned. But beyond that, immediately after 1 year, in fact, I was in the army. Certainly, the leadership which primarily we are supposed to exhibit, that is what primarily we were built upon. We were trained for that. Now, when you become leaders, and the type of leadership you need, it will be more or less defined by the type of people you're commanding. Okay. Now, in the fire services, if you are in the forces, if you are in a public sector undertaking, if you are in a state level fire service, obviously you become a force leader. Okay. So primarily by virtue of the rank which you're holding, you become a leader. Never take it that way. Okay. Never take it that way कि मेरे को rank मिल गया, मैं chief fire officer बन गया, मैं एक fire manager बन गया, मैं chief manager बन गया. So I am a leader. Your leadership will get only dictated by what you do, how you perform during various exigencies, various events which may happen. And this is where people are going to look over to you. In fact, there are 2 areas which you must remember, which will be always looking at you. One is your subordinates, second, the management. So you have 2 people to be more worried about. Your management is also looking at your performance, and the subordinate looking at you, how you're going to lead. So leadership primarily looks at these 2 aspects and needs to be prepared to address both. One,
Yes, sir.
as I said in the beginning itself, courage, conviction, integrity, and loyalty. These are 4 things which primarily each and every leader must have. Okay. I'll not talk about honesty here because honesty is somewhere connected with integrity itself. If you have high amount of integrity, honesty will come through. Okay. Honesty towards your job, honesty towards your subordinates, honesty and integrity towards your company. Everything, in fact, is something which will need your attention, and you should not be missing out on anything. Now comes one more very important aspect as leadership is concerned. Okay. In most of the companies, most of these places, in fact, you yourself will be involved in making SOPs. You will have plans made out. Okay. There'll be a beautiful booklet and a plan made out. And when the ground operations start, you will sweetly forget that. कि भी मैंने प्लान में क्या कहा था, ये आपसे एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं है. So whatever in fact you do and make or write, you must have that conviction of saying, okay, this is what is practical on ground. Okay. मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि हमारे यहाँ एक इंडस्ट्री में there is something which happens as a mock drill. Okay. So NDMA had designated me to become an observer for a mock drill which was being conducted in one oil company. There was a depot, oil depot, which was close to Bangalore city, and we had gone there. So they were simulating, or they were carrying out a mock drill. And there was a fire officer, or maybe a fire supervisor, a supervisor who primarily was supervising the entire firefighting operation. And he was standing next to a tank which must be having about 30,000 KL of oil. Okay. So simulation was the tank is on fire. भाई उसमें पेट्रोल है, उसमें आग लगी हुई है, और वो उसको फायर फाइटिंग ऑपरेशंस वो कह लीजिए कंडक्ट करा रहा है. And he was standing just about 10 meters away from the tank. So I asked a very pertinent question from the gentleman. I said, भैया ये बताओ कि अगर इस टैंक में आग लगी होगी तो हीट कितनी होगी? बोले सर
Yes,
बहुत
sir.
होगी। तो मैंने कहा हीट होगी तो तुम ये 10 फुट दूर खड़े हो पाओगे? बोले नहीं। तो मैंने कहा फिर आप क्यों खड़े हो? You got my point?
Yes,
So
sir, got
when
it.
you primarily look at what you have written and what you know, and if you don't practice it, then you are giving a wrong example of your leadership. Okay. Everything
Yes,
which
sir.
you stand for must be something which should be practicable on ground. उसको प्रैक्टिस
Yes,
करना बहुत जरूरी है। और दूसरी बात ये है कि भाई जो भी ये चीजें मैं बता रहा हूँ, इनफैक्ट ऑल दोस थिंग्स व्हिच आई हैव जस्ट नरेटेड अबाउट द बेसिक फैक्टर्स व्हिच नीड टू बी इनकलकेटेड इन लीडरशिप, they also need to be part of your lifestyle. They need to be part of your lifestyle. आप क्या कहाँ बोलते हैं, कैसे अपने आप को कंडक्ट करते हैं, that becomes a must. Within friends, totally different story. आप कैसे हम भी
Yes,
गाली
sir.
गलौज करें, एक दूसरे से मजाक करें,
Yes, sir.
but when you are within subordinates, not expected,
Definitely.
right?
Yes.
आपकी इज्जत एज अ लीडर उस चीज से नहीं बनती कि आप उनके लेवल पर जाके उनके साथ उस तरह की बातचीत करें जैसा की जरूरत है। इफ यू आर अ लीडर, you need to preserve your identity, and your identity primarily will come through what you speak, and how you conduct yourself. Okay. And that is
Yes.
where the last factor of your leadership will come through your character. You need to build up the character, and character building comes from 4 elements which I already said. उसी से character बनता है, चरित्र बनता है, और चरित्र अच्छा होगा तो ऑब्वियसली आगे आपको और भी अच्छी तरह से चीजें दिखाई देंगी, और बेटर यू विल बी रिगार्डेड आल्सो।
Yes, sir, definitely.
Yes, sir.
See, as far as there are certain things which you must remember as far as your leadership is concerned. In the armed forces, there is something which we all inculcate within ourselves. पहला असूल ये है कि I must know each and every subordinate's name. ये पहली चीज है। ना मेरी अगर मैं एक हमारे आर्टिलरी में बैटरी होती थी कंपनी की जगह। ओके, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग आर्मी में कंपनीज होती हैं बटालियंस में।
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes, sir.
बटालियन की जगह हमारे यहाँ बैटरीज होती हैं। हम कंपनी नहीं कहते, हम बैटरी कहते हैं क्योंकि उसमें गन्स होती हैं। ओके,
Okay.
तो हर बैटरी का अगर पूरा टोटल लगा लें तो वी आर अबाउट 200 to 300 people. So if I am a leader, if I am commanding that, I need to know name of each and every person. It's a hell of a job. It's very difficult,
sir.
but करना पड़ता है। और ये अगर किसी को नाम से आप बुलाओगे, it is given or taken as with greater respect. अगर आप
Yes,
किसी
sir.
को ओए इधर आओ,
Definitely.
if you call him your subordinate like that, it's taken as disrespect. तो पहला
Yes,
असूल
sir.
तो ये याद रखिए, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
नाम से बुलाना है, उसके बारे में पूरा जानना है, and remember, if you go back to preempting certain things, you will earn much more higher respect of our subordinates. Like
Yes,
I
sir.
can, tell you that we were in an exercise area, and
Yes.
बहुत बड़ी exercise हमारी चल रही थी, and I was also on leave. I came back and I joined the exercise, and in place of me, some other officer was working, and that officer was primarily doing the duties of adjutant. और उस समय एक हमारा जवान था, he was हवलदार rather, and he had his daughter, I think, which was not very well. तो उसने छुट्टी
Okay.
मांगी थी और the leave was denied, right?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
when I reached back, there was a news which had come that the girl had died, and there was a
Oh.
telegram which was sent that he need to be sent back immediately. Now that was a very touchy, situation, and the person would have really become very angry कि मेरे को छुट्टी मांगी, मेरे को छुट्टी नहीं दी
Yes.
और ऐसा हो गया. So it was a very delicate situation which I handled, and I understood the psychology of the individual. I took him aside, spoke to him, told him about the compulsions of the officer, why this could not happen, and why you could not be sent on leave. Things have happened, but this is where you need to go back to your family and take care of them. Preempting certain things can only happen when you are well aware about the background of your subordinates. उनके बारे
Yes,
में
sir.
जानना, के बारे पीछे में फैमिली के बारे में जानना, उनके बैकग्राउंड के बारे में जानना, that will preempt and look after their welfare, which primarily will force them to give you that respect which you deserve. So this is where primarily try to get all these things in your leadership qualities, in addition to
Yes,
whatever
sir.
I have given earlier, and primarily that will lead you to your basic goal of becoming a very good fire officer within the organization. Remember,
Definitely, sir.
fire services at the moment, ईमानदारी से बोलूं तो अच्छाइयों के लिए नहीं जाना जाता है. हमारे बीच में अच्छाइयाँ बहुत हैं. We have so many people who have sacrificed their lives. There are so many people who have rather gone, but people, normally remember those people who have done something bad. So we need to erase that. We need to remove that trend, that thought process, the entire way of thinking of people that bad is there inherent in every organization. But we need to weigh the good, which primarily also exists, and that exists in larger quantity. This is what you need to take it forward. Okay.
Yes, sir. So
I see.
definitely,
Nandan, I have rather answered your question.
Yes, sir, but not the last, sir. I have one more question, sir.
Okay, please go ahead. Yeah.
Can you tell, sir, how to be a good decision maker in emergency situation? And I want this answer not only in fire field, sir, in every field. Means everyone listening to us can
Okay.
get. Yes, sir.
See, decision makers, in fact, it's I'll say it's not correlated with one particular area itself. Decision making, as far as your service is concerned, my service is concerned, wherever I've been working, in fact, it was related in various aspects and various areas also. Okay, decisions has to be taken. Now, where you need to basically understand is there is a certain amount of responsibility and authority which is vested with you. Okay. Now, when you join a company or an industry, you will be giving a job description. आपकी job description आपको मिल जाएगी. Okay. That will be also telling you what will be your responsibilities. Now, responsibility cannot be passed on. Authority can be delegated, but responsibility never gets delegated. ये चीज याद रखिएगा. Okay. Responsibility remains with the leader and with the person who's in the top more. Okay.
yes,
So,
sir. Yes, sir.
primarily आपकी responsibility के तहत once a particular level of a job has been given to you, you need to understand that all your decisions within that area of responsibility you need to take. You cannot depend on somebody else to take your decision. You cannot pass on the decision making to somebody else. You can consult, you can have information, you can take advisories. You can also go and discuss with many people in the past who may have been working in that department to have a better understanding of what decision is made. As far as emergency situations is concerned, a fire service officer is not expected to have full knowledge of each and every sphere also. Okay. वो कहता ना कि jack of all trades बनना अच्छा भी नहीं है और ना होना भी नहीं चाहिए.
बिल्कुल,
Yes,
sir.
if you are absolutely mastered your own profession, let others do their job, but give them that space. So your decision making will also involve giving opportunity to others also to shoulder their responsibility.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you are at a place of an emergency, you need to be doing what is within your ambit of duty, helping others so that they can also perform their job better, and also motivating others so that they can come and assist you. So this
Yes,
is
Sure,
what
sir.
is
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
लेकिन
Sir,
इसमें
yes, sir.
डिसीजन मेकिंग की क्योंकि बात आई तो मैं डिसीजन मेकिंग चीज को कह दूं.
Yes, sir.
रिमेंबर कोई चीज को एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि एक इंसिडेंट हुआ है. Okay, let me go back to your fire incident itself. There's an incident which has happened. Now, in a fire incident, if there is a fire or an explosion which has happened, what all can you expect? ये आपकी अपनी rather understanding के ऊपर है.
Yes, sir.
Your judgment के
Yes,
ऊपर है.
sir.
Now, you will expect people will burn injuries. You will expect people with trauma injuries. You will expect people also who may have died.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So, आपके
Yes, sir.
decision इन चीजों पे depend करेंगे. Now, priority is to be given to a person who needs immediate assistance.
Yes, sir. To
And
save
immediate
life.
assistance has to be given whose life can be saved,
Yes, sir.
right? Not the dead. तो dead को हम priority
Yes.
नहीं देंगे. किसको देंगे हम? Priority देंगे जो living है, who can
Yes,
survive.
sir.
Okay, so your decisions will come as a consequence of your preempting and having a better judgment of what all things can be expected in an incident. हमारे यहाँ देखिए, इनफैक्ट कहीं भी इमरजेंसीज में फायर सर्विस डिप्लॉय होती हैं, तो हम किसी भी चीज को पहले से कोई इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर नहीं करते हैं. रादर ये हमारी एक कमी है दोस्त. कमी ये है कि हमारे कंट्रोल रूम में मैसेज आता है कि शहर के
Yes, sir.
फलाने एरिया में फायर लगी है, प्लीज आप मदद भेजिए. लेकिन कंट्रोल रूम कभी भी बैठ करके पूरे एरिया का मुआयना नहीं करता कि आग लगी कहाँ है, उसके आसपास में क्या है, and what will be the situation which
Yes,
is
sir.
faced by the person. Let me share an example with you. एग्जाम्पल ये था कि भाई जैसे गुजरात में एक ट्यूशन क्लासेस में आग लगी थी,
Surat, sir. Yes, sir.
सूरत में, ठीक है. Now, when
Yes, sir.
that fire happened, that fire was initiated in fact from a transformer, and that transformer was very close to the gate. The fire services were not at fault, right? The fire services turned out the message as it came. The turnout happened. The nearest fire station sent in a small tender because the information that was given was बिजली के खंबे पे आग लगी है.
बिल्कुल sir.
Am I right? Now,
Yes, sir.
बिजली के खंबे के पास में क्या है ये किसी ने नहीं बताया था.
Yes,
So
sir.
a mini tender was sent, which started the job, and by the time it reached, the transformer had already caught fire. But there was wooden staircase and other correlated things which primarily caught fire later on. There was no subsequent build-up on that particular incident where more vehicles could have been brought in, and consequently the evacuation of the entire classes should have taken place. खैर वो अलग-अलग consequences हैं जो कि हम केस स्टडी के तौर पर उसे स्टडी कर सकते हैं, but decisions need to be taken very fast as far as fire services are concerned. In all emergencies, decision needs to be taken fast in advance. मैं
Exactly.
डिसीजन लेता हूँ कि हाँ भाई मैंने किसी को मदद भेजनी है.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
And primarily,
Yes, sir.
if there are resources which are not needed in any place, I need to deploy those resources immediately so that that resources in advance available and can work when the need arises. So
Yes, sir.
this is what will be needed. And last
Yes,
but
sir.
not the part, decision making. सबसे बड़ा डिसीजन ये है दोस्त कि अपनी टीम को तैयार हमेशा रखना बहुत जरूरी है. So a schedule at each and every time needs to be prepared. एक schedule daily routine होना बहुत जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल
Okay.
sir. बिल्कुल.
Yes, sir.
Each and every fire
Definitely.
schedule, a daily routine should be made. If people are not deployed, let them conduct some training, let them have some discussion, let them see some videos, let them see what others are doing, and prepare for the coming times as they may pose any particular difficulty to them.
Yes, sir. Sure,
And-
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this was.
Your decision
Yes,
will
sir.
come with your knowledge, your conviction, your courage, and your integrity. Again, back to those leadership qualities which you need to inculcate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
thank you for that
your
elaborative
beautiful
and perfect answer, such a clear and crispy answer. Now I would like to request Nandan Kashyap to conclude the meeting so that we can have an overview of the meeting. Thank you.
Yes. So thank you so much, sir, for coming in this fire talks and sharing all the valuable information which is going to help not only fire personals but also everyone listening to in these fire talks. Sir, I'm glad to tell you that each and every part of this talk was creating goosebumps into us. The way you explained everything is surely going to help the present and the coming generation to achieve a safe and secure workplace. At last, I would like to thank you again for coming, and we are looking forward for more fire talks from a visionary person like you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Nandan. Thank you.